everyone. So today we are going to be doing another deck unboxing. So today we are going to be unboxing the Tamed Wild Medicine Herbal Deck. So just opening up the package, we've got oh cool. That's pretty neat. That's awesome. Okay, so this is the shop. I will leave a link down below if you are interested in this deck. I'm kind of assuming that this is a deck bag, which is really nice. It's a nice velvet. This was completely free. And I don't, there is a little stain right there though. But it's free. Very pretty, kind of a velvet feel with a lot of red on it. So, and here is the deck. So it says, in these cards you will find 33 of the top medicinal herbs historically used for healing. Each card includes hand-painted art, common and botanical name, plant description, parts used, historical medicinal uses, how to use, and ritual and lore. So I saw this just when I was looking at different decks on Instagram, and just really fell in love with the artwork. So I decided to get this. They were out of stock for a while, but obviously they came back in stock. So picked this up, and it shipped pretty dang quickly as well. Let's see, I ordered this on June 7th and today is June 12th, 13th maybe, I can't remember. I don't have a calendar right here, but anyway, well actually I do. Okay, so today is, ordered it on the 7th and today is the 13th. So pretty fast shipping. Nice little box. I usually like to keep my boxes and everything like that. This is probably the smallest oracle deck that I have. So let's just go through these one by one. Welcome to the Wild Medicine Herbal Deck, created by Tamed Wild Apothecary. This deck contains 33 of the top medicinal herbs used throughout time to heal the body, spirit, and soul. Our wish is that you may use this deck to inspire, heal, educate, and connect with your roots in nature. We are honored to be a part of your journey. And nothing on the back of that. So I think this just talks about Tamed Wild, the shop in and of itself. Yeah, legal disclaimer, which is a good thing because, you know, they are suggesting to use different herbs and everything like that. And then I guess this is all of the herbs that are in this. So here we get into the actual deck. So I'll just turn these over. So there's yellow dock. And then they also add the scientific name for it. Beautiful artwork. And then on the back of the card, it gives you a full description. How to use. Very cool. And it's on the back of every card. So this is a very, very cool deck. So there's Yellow Dock. Yarrow. Probably going to say these names wrong, but anyway. Willow. I love willow trees. Vitex. Don't know. Valerian. St. John's wort. Skullcap, plantain, Pipsissewa, peppermint, nettle, mullein, mugwort, marshmallow, holy basil, hawthorn, gumweed, golden seal, ginger, feverfew, fennel, elder, echinacea, dandelion, cramp bark, comfrey, cleavers, German chamomile, cayenne, calendula, burdock, blackberry, and black cohosh. So I love how the artwork is just such a beautiful watercolor. I think that the artwork is extremely cohesive to the deck. The cards are pretty thick. They're very slick, have a gloss to them. The GSM of the card is not extremely thick. So I would be careful shuffling these. Let's just see if it fits. If they fit in here. I know they will. For sure. Awesome. So you've got a free deck bag with that, which is really, really cool if you want to carry these and do readings for others. Very cool deck. I'm anxious to just kind of explore all of the different things that these can do. So if you are a green witch or just interested in herbs in general, this would be a wonderful deck for you, or just for anybody that's interested. The artwork really spoke to me, and I thought it'd be a really cool deck to add to my collection. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or anything like that, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you. Tell me what you think about this deck. What are your favorite decks that you have in your collection? Or what are you really wanting? And that could be Oracle, Tarot, whatever you want. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here. And other than that, I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.